Hello my people and welcome back. I hope I don't try this particular one and I don't get the expansion of this particular, because if you try them, if you get the expansion of this a plus b all cube, I know it's supposed to stress you small. If you use that normal algebraic expansion, which is supposed to get an a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. If not be wait to get with this, now you say don't do mistake, go check your work again, because me I no go if you go through this stuff. I don't really do for x plus y all cube will be the same thing as a plus b all cube. The one I want to do now a plus b all to the power of 4. Now why I want to do this one manually be say I want from this one carry teach you Pascal triangle. I want make you notice something from this particular one. When you notice that one, you can switch to Pascal triangle. Wait, I want make you notice exactly. Remember, say a plus b all to the power of 4 means say now a plus b multiplied by a plus b multiplied by a plus b. We'll go down like 4 times multiplied by a plus b. So normally I no go like use this normal expansion, algebraic expansion method carry down, because this kind of thing supposed to stress me. I for use the Pascal I want teach you, but in the next slide I will teach you Pascal. But get wetin I want make you notice after I don't do this expansion finish. Wetin I want make you notice, you know say a plus b times a plus b times a plus b are the same thing as this a plus b raised to the power of 3. That means these three things now will give you this particular answer. Will give you this answer. So it means if I want to expand and make it quick for me, I will just say a plus b to the power of 4. No mind this way down the lag now. Maybe just manage them. But now a plus b there. So this one I will just say a plus b multiplied by these three things will give you this particular answer. But these three things means a plus b all cube. So a plus b all cube, now same thing as a plus b times a plus b times a plus b. We will give you this particular expression where you get here. So now means I will copy this one now, paste them here, make our work quick. So I'll get a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared. I write a where here plus b cubed. Good. So now you can see say if I want to expand this one now to get the final answer, I guess use this a multiply, use this a multiply by this a cube, use this a again multiply by this second term, use the a multiply by this third term, use this a multiply by this fourth term. That would be a lot and stressful, but you guys do it because again I won't show you, because now the last time I will use this long method with this. So a times a cube go increase them to be a to the power of 4. Hope you know. A again times 3a squared b. Focus on where a did. Increase the value of that a. So this one will give us 3a cubed then times b. A again times this third term will give us 3a squared b squared. Finally plus a times this b cube will be a b cubed. I never finish you. Make we use b multiply by this first term. B times a cube will give us a cubed b plus b again times the second term will give us 3a squared b squared. Finally b again, no be finally, times the third term, you get fourth term there, it will give us 3ab cubed plus the last one, b times the fourth term will give us b to the fourth, that's b to the power of 4. Good. Now we don't finish the expansion. Now what you need to do now to collect like terms so that you will put the answer in order. So wetin be, you know say we no get any a to the power of 4 again, now just only one, the other one na b to the power of 4, so we no go touch those one. But you can't find wetin common for this particular place. How many things common here? I dey see a cube b here. I dey see, I mean a cube and b here. I dey see a cube and b for this place. That means I go add them. Remember say coefficient of 1. The coefficient of this ab cube now 1 there wey you no see. That 1 plus 3 go give you 4. So I'll get plus 4a cube b. I don't finish for that one. No. Now the next one na this one. I check where a squared b squared dey. A squared b squared. See another one here. A squared b squared. So this 3 plus this particular 3 wey dey here will give us wetin? 6. Abi? Good. So this one will come be plus 6a squared b squared plus, check whether this one get in your own neighbor. See ab cube. See am ab cube. So 1 here go add with this 3 to give you 4. So give you 4ab cube plus this last one will be b to the power of 4. Then if you check this one now, you see say you no go fit add anything again. You no go fit add anything. So it means say this expansion a plus b to the power of 4 na the answer with this. Now see wetin I want make you notice why I do this particular example join. Check the power of a. Notice how the power of a dey reduce. Here na a to the power of 4. You reach here, come reduce to a to the power of 3. You reach here, come reduce to a to the power of 2. You reach here, come reduce to a to the power of 1. Check how the b value dey increase. Here na b to the power of 1. Here b to the power of 2. Here to the b to the power of 3. Here na b to the power of 4. This is a tell you say as the value, the power of a dey reduce, na so the power of b dey increase. As the power of a dey reduce from a to the power of 4 to a to the power of 3 to the a to the power of 2 to a to the power of 1, na so the power of b dey increase from b to the power of 1, b to the power of 2, b to the power. So na this system wey this guy wey dem call Pascal carry am build that Pascal triangle, and then carry am do the mathematics wey make only one line we go fit still get answer. You don ready to learn that Pascal triangle? Oya hit am for comment section. Now just let me know say don dey active. Make I begin dey teach you how dem dey run am. E dey very very simple and very interesting. Oya na if you don ready, me I don ready. Oya let's go.